Liquid soap is one of the easiest thing you can make yourself, especially if you have interest in selling it. And in this video, I shared another method in which you can make liquid soap by yourself. Easy and well detailed. And if you have any question you want to ask me, kindly put it in the comment section and I'm going to reply you. At the end of this video, I also show the trick behind the soap looking so pure like this. So here are my chemicals. It was labeled for me because I want to follow that procedure. I want to follow that method. I have all of these chemicals. So number 5 is 3. There are 3 chemicals, which is caustic soda, STPP, and soda ash. I want to make 15 liters of liquid soap because the number 5, I'm mixing them 5 liters of water. So I poured my caustic soda, STPP, and soda ash in about 5 liters of water. So I'm still having like 10 liters of water left. I mixed them well. Then I sieve the water, rinse my bath well, and then I poured like 8 liters of water into the bath. We are having 10 liters of water left. So I removed my turning stick because I will still need it to mix my chemicals. So here is EDTA. EDTA says number 0. So it's just to purify the water in case there is anything that can affect the soap from the water. So EDTA is to purify it. So as you can see, it's clear in the water. Then I pick my number 1, which is nitrosol. Nitrosol is always number 1, and I mix it well for about close to 5 minutes. I added number 2, which is the Texaco. This is number 3, which is our sulfuric acid. I added my sulfuric acid, and I always get extra sulfuric acid because I sell my liquid soap and I want it to be very, very foaming. So I used to get extra. That is why you are seeing 2 sulfuric acid here. So then from the remaining liters, I poured my SLS. So the SLS I'm having here is in powder form. So I was at first scared because I'm not used to this kind of SLS. It doesn't dissolve on time. So I poured my SLS just like that. It's in powder form. So you might get to a place they can sell SLS for you like this. So it doesn't mean that your soap will be bad. I poured my number 5, which are caustic soda, soda ash, and STPP. So I added it, following the process according to the number. So here is my foam booster, which is number 6. So at this point, I saw that the SLS is already dissolved. You guys can see. So here is my number 7, which is our preservative. So I'm using formalin. Here is my color. Most of the time I use color green. So I mix it in a little bit of water as well, and I poured it to my soap. I added it to the soap, and here is it. The soap is already thick, so the color is not coming out very well at that moment. And I left it for about an hour. So by the time I went back to stir it, it's already looking thick. So I have to use my strength to mix it very well till it became watery enough again. So then I added my perfume. Perfume is always the last thing. So I left the soap for about 2 days before packaging it. This really helped the soap to look like this, and the extra sulfuric acid I added as well helped the soap to look so clear and pure. And at the end of everything, I made 20 liters from this liquid soap to sell. I hope you learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.